My name is Angel Price, and I am a senior manager for engineering services within the attraction world here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. My entire life, I've always been big into math and engineering and science and trying to figure out how things worked. I really love the entertainment industry, special effects. Now, there is no major for special effects, and in fact, I found that out when I went to school and I sat with my advisor and I said, I want to major in special effects, and I appreciate them for smiling at me, nodding, and said, we're going to sign you up for visual communications. And I said, okay. And that was my first intro to Purdue University. I wanted something that was either ones or zeros, black or white, just straight to the point. It's either right or it's wrong. They said, are you sure? Because usually we don't have people from liberal arts wanting to get into something that was more technical. And I says, oh yeah, I need this. I want this. Make it happen. And so that started my journey into one of the most, technical fields that's out there, and been loving it ever since. So I started my Disney journey in a college program. From there, I signed up for a professional internship with Attraction Engineering Services. I got exposure to what engineering life could look like here at Disney and fell in love with it. We're standing here in Pandora, the world of Avatar, and we have one of the most complicated audio animatronics on property. My senior design project happened to be an audio animatronic head that I was going to try to get to move. We will just say in those early stages of my career, the only way it was going to move is if I physically pushed it. Go figure, I'm now in maintenance, and that's what I do, my team does on a regular basis. So now I'm in charge of about half of the park attractions. I lead 90 plus cast members, talented cast members, mechanics, computer ride show technicians. We go and we fix things in place. And not only are we fixing just the things that move, but we're fixing the show aspects. We're fixing projection. We're fixing show lights that are out there. We're fixing special effects. So it's not only the show, but it's the preventative maintenance. We are what's behind the scenes that's keeping this magic alive. People want to come here to experience this, to take themselves out of their current world, their current life, and we give them the ability to do so. All it takes, I literally can go around the corner and I can go ride Flight of Passage, or I can go and stand in the exit of any of the attractions, and you see families being together, you see families that are happy, you hear people say, this was the best ride I've ever been on in my life. That's what brings it back to me, because I came here because I wanted to do something that I love, but I also wanted to do something that just genuinely made people happy. My career path has not been a steady straight line, but Purdue also offered options. More than anything, Purdue University taught me how to understand complex information and how to not only learn it, but to understand it, interpret it properly, and to do it quickly. Because the amount of classes and the amount of information they throw at you, it's a lot. But when you get in the real world, guess what? They throw a lot at you and you still got to deliver. So it prepped me for not only my career, but it prepped me to be agile. It prepped me to understand certain things, and it prepped me for life.